Hi, I'm Emily from Rapid Fire Supplies. Today I'll be showing you how to kill bacteria and viruses such as COVID-19 in the workplace and at home. Let's go! When carrying out an extensive cleaning process, you first need to make sure that you have the correct PPE for the job. Today I'll be using the gloveman. These gloves are powder-free, clear vinyl gloves, perfect for the job. It is always good practice to wash your hands before putting on your gloves. It is important to make sure that the gloves that you buy are the right size for you. These are size small, but they come from small to extra large, so check your size and make sure that you get a good tight fit to protect your hands. It looks like there's been a bit of overindulging during today's break. Let's clear away the evidence. The next step in the process is detergent. Detergent wipes are used to remove any visible dirt from the surface. Without doing this, the disinfectant wipes will not be able to fully access the bacteria and viruses that may be hiding beneath. So always use a detergent wipe. They are brilliant, super strong cleaning power. You get 60 in a pack and they are used by the NHS across the UK. Always use an S-shaped pattern to wipe, to ensure the entire area is covered. Now that the area is dry, it's time to move on to a disinfectant wipe. These are the Clinell Universal wipes. They are fantastic and I use them all the time. They come in different shapes and sizes, packages, and even in a spray. The time it takes to kill the bacteria and viruses will vary on the type, from 10 seconds to 2 minutes. Be sure to check the packaging to learn more. Now that the process is finished, it's time to remove your gloves. This can be a bit tricky, but try your best not to touch the gloves with your actual hands and use the other glove to help you remove them. If you do accidentally touch the glove with your hand, don't worry at all. You can wash your hands and that will remove any dirt and bacteria from them, or you can grab a Clinell hand wipe. These are great for on the go and for children and for days out. This will make your hands lovely, clean and fresh, and it smells really nice too. That definitely deserves another cup of tea.